Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Hussein Panahi. Today we are going to learn how to create game assets like this building that you're watching now using isometric technique. So let's get started. But before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload any new tutorials. As usual, we need to open new page. Then make sure to activate the grid option. If it is tick mark, it's okay. Then click on modify grid on isometric tab and here click cube. Then type 45° in the middle and also 25°, and cube scale should be 70. Then we can click to the snap tool and make sure that snap to grid is tick mark. Then we draw the shape. Click on edit in plan and click fit to plan. That rectangular will fit according to the isometric angle. So bring it down and let's change the color of this. And then click on the side and then again draw. And let's change the division into 2. Press Alt and drag and drop. It will duplicate this. Let's change the color of both of them and we will duplicate again and click in edit in plan. Then click fit to plan. It will automatically change the direction. Adjust the size of this and let's change the color, something like this. By the help of node tool, we will add nodes and then we can delete the corner one, so we will have this kind of shape. Duplicate this and resize this and change the color, something like this, and make another shape for the window. It will be from front. Change the color so it will be the window. Duplicate this and click the side button. Then again we'll click to draw the side of the window. Just click on the top and then again click here. Then change the color. Then we will duplicate this and resize this. If the shape is behind, just click Ctrl bracket open or bracket close to move it into front or send it to the back. Like this we will adjust. So right now it is in front and it's fine. We will create another shape for the side. Then duplicate this and again duplicate, and we will duplicate the top one, and the same technique using node tool. Add the node here and delete the extra node and adjust the bottom node. Then duplicate and adjust and delete the extra node. Like this. We can also bring it down. We need to duplicate this to fit to another side of the window. Our window is done. Then we can duplicate this window to the right side, so we have 2 windows. Like this we can create the door and change the color of that. So duplicate this, change the color of this, duplicate this to make it a little bigger, duplicate this, change the color of this, duplicate this, move it to the side like this. Again the same technique. Then we can duplicate this and bring it to the front and adjust the position of that. And also change the color. So like this we can change the color And also click edit in plan and fit to plan from the top view, so it will automatically snap to the top, and also left side as well. So our door is ready. Duplicate this because we want to have a big door for this building. And also like this we can create the stairs, change the color of the stairs and duplicate, adjust the size. So this is the left side of the building, and you can duplicate this as well. This is a small garden I just want to create here. So here's a tree. The tree can be this shape, or it's up to you. You can create any kind of tree, but for this purpose it's okay. And I will also change the color from solid to gradient, so it will be like this. Later on we can give the texture as well on this. So like this we can create. Now I will press Ctrl and bring it to the right. It will duplicate the trees. I think I should make it a little thinner. So it is done. I will select all of them and will duplicate it to the right side. The stairs should be on the top, so I will bring it on the top. Then I will create the left side of the building. Then change the color so it will be from the front side. There will be a little light of that. Then we can create the top part of the building by clicking the top in Isometric. Then change the color as the top part has more lights than left. And duplicate this, it will be the roof. Change the color, something like this. Then we will duplicate another one and we will make it to the side, something like this, and we will change the color. And also we will do the same technique, adjust the nodes and also change the color. Okay, after this I just want to create here AC. So like this, and also we can select the window to duplicate it because all of the above should be the same, and we should deselect the trees if it is already selected. We need to duplicate only the windows. By pressing Ctrl we can duplicate that, and also by the help of pressing Shift it will go straight. Here we need to fill that gap. There is an empty space. So I think we need to delete this, and also here we need to adjust to the bottom of the floor. So right now it's perfect. It is almost done. Another part is that we can have some texture on this as well. So let's go to layer, and over here we can go to persona, and then we can click and create a pixel layer. Then on a pixel layer we can use, and we can even work like Photoshop. When pressing the control and click on the top of the icon of the any layer, that layer will be converted as a selection. So like this. Now we can click to the brush and we can paint. The paint will be inside that selection part, and we can select any kind of brush. So from this one I will select texture, and see here I can click and it will be any kind of texture. I will draw this one only so as a test, so you can create your own. So like this you can create any texture. Then again I will select another brush. It will be something like basic. By the help of bracket open and bracket close, you can make it small and big like this. And also I can change the mode to multiply and change the opacity a little bit down, like 71. And then I just want to give a little bit texture on this plant as well. Let's combine them, select all of them and click combine. The same technique will apply to other side of those plant. When you select that, press Ctrl K, it will find where your layer is, and then click pixel layer. It will create a pixel layer, and then by pressing Ctrl, click on the top of the trees, then those shapes will be selected, and then you can now paint like this. I will color. Let's choose some texture to apply on these trees. Let's make a little smaller the size of the brush. Like this it will be done, all of them. And now we can again activate the isometric, because I want to make the road. Here will be the road, and we will change the color of that, and we will make another road like this. By creating only one and pressing Ctrl J, move that, then again press Ctrl J, it will apply the same transformation size and it will duplicate. Like this we will create and give some texture on the background as well. Then let's duplicate this, select the whole building and duplicate and delete the extra things, and bring it to the left and make another copy of that. Press Ctrl and drag and drop to duplicate that, and make another background. Create the background of the building. And again duplicate the building. At the end you will create this kind of building. Hope you enjoyed this video and you have learned something. If you think this video is useful for you, please make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and also share it with your friends to support me. Thank you for watching.